It's sweet but balanced with really lovely acidity. It really is warming in like a last sort of rays, last warm day of summer. And it is a very delicate, beautiful drink, even with a name like the French Grenade. So let's go shopping. All right, so for our French Grenade, we are gonna use this super cool product. It's a dessert wine from France. It's a fortified wine, so they take a wine and then they add in cognac, which bumps up the alcohol level, also helps balance so you get some sugar left in that wine. So there's some sweetness, there's some really nice acid, and then there's also some of that like nutty sort of cognac note to it. It's rich, it's elegant. This is great going into fall and winter as kind of a nightcap. But I really love the idea of using it in this cocktail. I've kind of used it in the place of like a Calvados that you traditionally use. It pairs really well with the other flavor elements to make something unique and delicious. So for a very small component in the cocktail, but important, we're gonna use Herbsaint. It is gonna add some of that depth and weight to the cocktail, a little of that black licorice note, which, to be honest, is not my favorite, but it's very subtle, so it's not gonna overpower. I love it in this cocktail because it just adds a little bit of depth, but you're not going to get like, bam, black licorice like if you use a lot, which is why we use very small amount. So next we're gonna use grenadine syrup. You may know from Shirley Temples or mocktails, but it's actually pomegranate, not cherry. So it's a pomegranate syrup. You can make your own, or you can buy, we have the Jack Rudy grenadine. This is a delicious, really nice quality. It's gonna bring some sweetness, some spice, some of that fresh tart pomegranate flavor, and really add to this cocktail. Today we're gonna make the French Grenade. 2 ounces of a dessert wine. We're using Pinot de Charente. Probably still said that wrong. 3/4 ounce grenadine. 3/4 ounce fresh lime. 5 to 6 dashes of Angostura bitters. Just go for 5, and inevitably I end up doing like 6 or more because I struggle. As little as possible Herbsaint as you can get while still adding it to the cocktail. We're just gonna go with what spilled over the top of that. So yeah, you want like a dash, drop, a little bit of the guy. Ice, and shake. It's a dessert wine, so we're going with kind of a small wine glass type thing. Then I think I'm gonna add one of these pretty like ice spheres, maybe 2, let's see. And double strain. I think we can go 2 ice balls. And we're gonna garnish with a little lime twirl. Like that. And that is how you make a French Grenade.